Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. If you're experiencing lag in Sea of Thieves, there are some simple fixes that can dramatically improve your experience. Step 1. First, check your internet connection by running a speed test. You want at least 10 megabits per second for smooth gameplay. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to a wired Ethernet connection for more stability. Step 2. Next, lower your graphics settings in the game options menu. Reduce your resolution to 1080p if you're playing on a higher setting, and turn off bloom and motion blur. These changes will help your frames stay consistent. Step 3. Make sure you're closing background applications that consume bandwidth. Check your task manager and close any downloads, streaming apps, or programs using network resources. This frees up your connection for the game. Step 4. Update your graphics card drivers immediately. Outdated drivers cause massive performance issues. Visit NVIDIA or AMD's website depending on your card and download the latest version. Step 5. Finally, restart your router and console or computer. A simple reboot clears memory leaks and resets your connection to the server. Unplug your router for 30 seconds, plug it back in, and you should see immediate improvements in your gameplay experience.